Okay, so this is GRE Digest bringing you an easy arithmetic problem here. So the question reads, a bookstore sells notebooks for $3 each. If Maya buys 4 notebooks and pays with a $20 bill, how much change should she receive? So just to write what we know here, notebooks are $3. She bought 4. She pays with a $20 bill. So we need to find how much change she should receive. So to start, let's estimate the total cost. So total cost should be notebooks times how many? And in this case, the notebooks are $3 each times 4 books. And that will give us $12 total. She paid 20 minus 12 of what it costs will give her $8 in change. On to the next problem here. So this question reads that a jacket originally cost $80. During a sale, the price is reduced by 25%, and we want to know what the sale price is. So a trick we can use to find 25% of 80 is putting this 25% into a decimal form. Which gives us 0.25. We multiply this by 80. Which gives us an answer of 20. And that's off the sale. So now we can take the original total, which was 80, subtract the discount we're getting for the 25% off, and that gives us the sale price. $60. Alrighty. Now on to a medium problem here. This is an algebra problem. So to start, I always like to rewrite the problem in my own writing. We're solving for x. So what we can do here is just rearrange the equation. So we can add 3 to both sides. That's going to give us 2x equals 14. And then divide both sides by 2. And this can give us x equals 7. Moving on to our fourth problem here. This is a medium to hard problem. So in this problem, a container is filled with a mixture that is 3 parts water, 5 parts juice. So if the total volume of the mixture is 32 ounces, let's write that over here. How many ounces is juice? Alrighty. So what we can do here is if it's 3 parts water and 5 parts juice, we can get the total parts. So total parts is going to be 3 water plus 5 juice. It's going to give us 8 parts. combined. Now what we can do is take the total of 32, which is our total volume, divided by our 8 parts. And that is going to give us 4 ounces per part. So now to bring back in our juice here, we know that we have 5 parts of juice. So 5 juice times 4 ounces per part is going to give us 20 ounces of juice. All right, and now on to our last problem here, which is our hard problem of the day. We're going to let a and b be positive numbers such that a plus b equals 20 and a times b. A plus b equals 12 and a times b equals 20. And we're comparing these two quantities over here. Quantity A and quantity B. Quantity A is a squared plus b squared. Quantity B is 100. So for here, we're going to use an identity. This is something you can commit to memory if you're looking to get those top scores on the exam. So a squared plus b squared equals a plus b squared minus 2ab. So what that does is that can rearrange a for us. So instead of writing it as a squared plus b squared, we can write it as a plus b squared minus 2ab. Now we can plug in values and test the problem. So we know here, if we bring this down, we know that a plus b squared minus 2ab can be rewritten using this section right here and right here. We will plug the 12 here and square it. Minus 2 and plug in this AB, which is 20. And that's going to give us an answer of 144 minus 40, which equals 104. And remember, this is coming off of our A value right here. Right? This is quantity A up here. So 104 equals A. And if you compare that to 100, quantity A is greater than quantity B. And that's all we have for today. See you next time.